Have you got a saggy washing line like this? It's been drying some heavy blankets and it's just stretched the knot. So what I'm going to show you today is how to tighten this up with a proper knot. I did this very quickly and I want to show you how to do a really tight knot. Okay, anyone can do this and get it super tight. So come back here and right, we want to pull it tight and get a distance from the tree or whatever you're tying it to. Okay, get a space like this and just bring this one back, make a loop like this. Okay, and then just make a little knot with that loop. Okay, people say around the tree and back out. So there we go. That's our little loop here. Now we go and grab the other end. We bring it through this loop and we tighten it up. Because of this tree bark, I need to give it a little bit of help. But look, all we do is just pull on this and it tightens up for us. It's not even difficult. Look how tight it's getting. Okay, and it's getting super tight. Look at that. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to do a little bit more and then we go around the tree, lock it off like so. Okay, we might get two out of this. Yep, so that's super locked off. And then I'm just going to go around here once like this, another one, and through here. That's one lock. Here is a second lock. Half hitches they're called, I think. And there we go. Look at the tension. Oops, dropped a coat hanger there. But look at the tension on that. That is super strong. So there you go, a quick knot for making super tension on your ropes. So there you go, a great knot for tightening up any rope really easily. Anybody can do it. So if you want to see more tips like this, random stuff on my channel, subscribe to Tips with Tatty and I'll see you in the next one.